How to place sell order on PrimeXBT. Are you guys facing issue to create sell trade on PrimeXBT? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To place a sale order on PrimeXBT, first of all, open app on your mobile device. Once you open the app, log in into your account with your registered email and password. As soon as you get logged in, you will be forwarded to this interface. At this interface, just simply look at the bottom of your screen where you will be able to see this sell order and buy order. You are looking to sell order, right? Just simply head over to the sell order position. Once you tap on it, you can see this amount icon. Now just simply select your lot size or the amount that you want to risk on this trade. If it feels like it's your A plus trade, then just simply select the higher trade amount or higher risk and click on sell. As soon as you click on sell, your order will be instantly placed. So as you guys can see, our position is running over here as sell position and it's going on profit. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.